Welcome to 21 Plain Road, a property that defies expectations. In this video, we invite you to embark on a journey of discovery with Treetop Group, a real estate investment firm renowned for its unique approach to uncovering hidden gems.
When we first discovered 21 Plain Road, Weston, we recognized its unique circumstances. While other investors may have seen the obstacle, we saw a chance to make a difference. The property has fallen into disrepair, but beneath the surface, we discovered its remarkable bone and unparalleled location.
At Treetop Group, we don't shy away from the challenges that others might see as deal breakers. Instead, we see opportunities for growth and transformation. Our expert team possesses a keen eye for identifying properties with hidden value, like 21 Plain Road.
Our vision for 21 Plain Road, Weston was one of unparalleled transformation. Through meticulous rehabilitation, design, and strategic investment, we unlock the true value of this hidden gem.
With its secluded location, convenient access to major highways, and the charm of Weston, 21 Plain Road represents the epitome of luxury living. We were driven by the mission to elevate this property into a masterpiece that surpassed all expectations.
As I walked through the room envisioning the possibility, it became clear to me that this property held tremendous value waiting to be unleashed. The spacious room, the abundance of natural light, the high ceiling, and 3 acres of usable land all pointed to a future of limitless potential. In the upcoming video, we will showcase the meticulous art of rehabilitation and the exceptional process to potential buyers. Treetop Group welcomes you to join us and witness the new level of real estate investment.